Madcat sailing. You are now watching for the of corned beef.
I've just caught part of this story, but yeah, there was tank practice on the back field. The big guns were set to the back, and I'm assuming these, because there's a couple of them dotted about with these small guns at the front. So yeah, little things like this that you explore, things you don't really see. There's another one just there. Yeah, a little bit of history. I think it's a massive military practice area around this part of the country. There's a lot of military bases and stuff like that. Ready, safe water mark, 5.3, homeward bound. Sails are going to go up now, so watch me make a hash of this, because the camera's on, or the battery will die, or the memory card will run out, so go. Right. Lovely. Looks like a wind is keeping it up. It's got a nice dark cloud for winter behind. It's supposed to be cloudy today, but it's a good thing. It's not that dark. I don't want to get wet. We're motoring now. Not motoring, sailing, sorry. like to say as well, Cobra, please do a repair service for these. I know they're a budget handheld, but I had it hooked on my pocket, climbing up within less than 3 months of having it, and I snapped my aerial. Well, it's not the aerial. You've got a very poor metal, and even if I showed it to a metallurgist, I don't know if you can see in there, but that's a very poor metal. There's lots of air bubbles in it, and I think that's why it snaps so easy. And I can't find anyone that'll repair it for me, so if anyone's watching, because the radio works fine, if anyone's watching and can repair it, give me a shout please. I'm willing to pay, but not silly money, but reasonable, as long as it doesn't cost more than the handheld. Stop now because I was talking. Yeah. I know what people are thinking, plastic. I'll make sure it goes home and it's put in the bin. As someone once said, it's a necessary evil sometimes. It's keeps your butties dry. I'd have plastic containers now. Forgot to bring them. Yeah, I'll make sure that does not bleed off. Now you're wondering, I'm on, aren't you? This is it's like going back to the war. For anyone in England, understand this. Something called corned beef. What they used to do for the war rationings, corned beef, processed beef. Lovely. Made in South America, I think. Or as one famous company does. Simple, but does the job. You want some, don't you? I'm feeling really skint some months. I'll make a pot of, we call it tater ash. There's lots of different versions of it. But use a tin of corned beef, onions, potatoes, hot sauce. Thicken it up a little bit with lentils. And I like to add a little bit of gravy picking as well. Yeah, boil it all, carrots, boil it all in one big pot, and when it's done, leave it a day, and then reheat it. Always tastes better reheated. Lots and lots of gravy. Best way it'll last you a week when you live on your own.